Oh my gosh, I have never been so excited to see this beautiful bright green Axial tape waiting for me at the front door. Like, legit happy dance.
She's telling the truth because this is the first time Abby's ever taken a picture of a box sitting at our front door to text some friends, and I think you even posted it on Instagram.
I did. I wanted to see if you guys that follow us over on Instagram could guess what this is, and no one's guessed it yet, right?
No one has actually. I'm really surprised. Now
I can't believe it's like you guys don't even know me.
A lot of people guessed the same vehicle, but no one guessed what this is, and that's crazy. Now, I think that we should say...
Yeah, everybody thought it was the Capra.
Right, so it's not the Capra.
Yeah, it's not the Capra.
I think we should start off by saying, this is, although I find it very, very, very cool, this is your truck.
Oh yes, this is my truck. So when I saw this released, I was scrolling through my news feeds and I saw this truck and I was like, whose truck? What is this? And who makes it? And how do I get one? How much? Take my money.
Yeah. Yep.
And here it is, finally. And you guys have any guesses yet? Leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think it is, because over on Instagram you guys had no clue. Or if you already clicked our link in the description box, then you already ruined it and know what this is. But it is linked down there, so if you want to learn more about this Axial that I have in this box, then go click that link.
And as you're cutting into this, you go with the knife there for that. I also brought the box cutter, or the zip tie cutter. As you're cutting into this, I think that there's a lot of people that are going to be watching this video. Sure, a ton of you are subscribers, but a ton of you are not. And maybe even the new subscribers to our channel, they don't really know who we are. So a quick little introduction that we never really do on our channel. I'm Nate.
I'm Abby. We're married.
Yes, we're husband-wife team here. And we've been sharing this hobby now for like 7 or 8 years.
7 years.
7 years on YouTube.
Longer than we've been married.
Yeah, sharing it with you guys. And we just love the hobby. We're super passionate about the hobby.
This box has not been opened yet, so you're experiencing this with me.
Yeah, looks good. I think we chose the right color for sure. Oh my gosh, guys! If you like what you see in this video, we'll have it linked in the description box below.
You ready?
Yeah, I didn't think I'd get to be a part of this. I'm a little jealous, but you know what?
You should be. Oh, it's the Axial SCX10 II 1955 Ford F100. This one.
The brown. So there's a green one. There's like a forest green.
So our friend has this one, and I almost got the green one. But then I was like,
this is so different.
Yeah,
this is so different. That's why I like it. Now, I gotta give Abby credit because although I would really like this to be my own truck.
I saw it first.
She saw it first. But I'm a proud dude that has a wife that doesn't just like to go out and, run these things with me. She's like, a lot of...
On my newsfeed.
A lot of people scroll through and they look at different things on their newsfeed. This is the stuff that Abby gets excited about on her newsfeed.
So
that is my wife.
I was trying to think before we sat down to film this video if I enjoyed bashing or crawling more.
Ooh.
And I couldn't come up with the answer yet because they're both so different. Like which one I like more.
I know what I like.
Like, I know bashing probably makes me laugh and smile more. But crawling, there's something about it. It's just really challenging. Like if you make it challenging.
You break less stuff crawling.
You break less stuff crawling.
So my cup of tea, here, I gotta show, hold on, I gotta show everyone. I like to fly. I like to fly planes. That is my favorite thing to do in the hobby. But
Okay, you're taking this moment away from me.
For ground vehicles, it's this. It's crawling.
Alright. Wow. There's more stuff in there.
There's a lot more stuff in there.
Oh, I'm taking off that. Don't let me pull that peely off.
I'm not touching it. This is all you. This is your truck. Although I get to admire it. And I get to
usual
try.
Axial parts.
Oh, nice.
I say usual. There's a bunch of like.
There's a lot in here, and they even since when have they given batteries for the transmitter? That's a first.
That's funny because I'm pretty sure this doesn't come with a battery to run it.
I don't think
or
it
charger.
does.
Yeah, there's no charger.
No, so that's a little different that they decided to give us AA batteries. Axial has never done that before for anything that we've ever had.
That looks so good. I love
oh,
this.
Look, they have like the Texas bullhorns. It's hard for you guys to see,
funny.
but there are those Texas bullhorns.
I love this style of the body scheme, but I think we're wanting to do something else if we can ever have time to do something else with bodies. It's kind of something we've never really dabbled in yet.
So right now we're doing a live build on our vlog channel, The Sailors. And we do that on Saturday night, not every Saturday night. If you guys want to check it out, it's there for you. We've been having a lot of fun. I think this would be a fun truck for you to mod. A very fun, for your crawler. Your actively modded winter project crawler. I think it comes, there you go.
Be smarter than the box.
Now the zip tie cutters, you got them.
4?
Yep. Oh, it's been a little while since we've gotten a new Axial vehicle.
Granted, it's an SCX10 II.
Which
I already
we have.
an SCX10 II vehicle. I have the deadbolt. I have the original deadbolt. Nate has the original Falcon. SCX10. So yeah, it's another SCX10 II.
Doesn't matter.
But I'm still really excited
It's a good
about
truck.
it. Look at that. Alright, are you ready for this?
You're gonna do that already? It's nice that they put that on there to protect the top of the truck from rubbing up against the box.
The decals on this look so good.
They do.
It even has a step bar, guys. It has a step
like
bar
that.
for the truck. Like, all it needs is, like, the truck needs to open.
The
It is a
doors.
clear body inside.
Through the windows.
Which I have to figure out how do I open this.
Right, where are the body clips? Is it Velcro? This is...
I read something that
crazy.
it's easy to do with 2 body clips. I don't even know how to open this. I know it's a 35T brush motor. The ESC can handle 3S batteries.
Really? We always run 2S in
It
our
said it can
Axials.
handle 3S. Oh my gosh, Nate. Look at that, there's a wire.
I think you found the body clips, didn't you?
No.
No, I saw one.
There's a wire right here.
Oh,
There's
the lights
actual
are already
lights.
running.
There's some lights in here.
I don't think I knew that. Because, see, you've done all the searching on this.
I didn't know there were
I thought
lights.
I saw, look, here's the body clip tag. Pull that right
Okay,
there.
it's not these big spots. These don't have lights. These have lights.
I
It's
see.
these 2. But
So-
these are ready for lights and they're going to get lights.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first
did you see
time
the body
that's
clip?
happened. Yeah,
To
what
the
would
other
you
one.
do
So
with
right
that?
here is the other one.
Okay.
Pull that out and then it should hinge open. There we go. There we go.
Whoa.
That's new for Axial to do that. I mean, they had it on the
On
Yeti.
an SCX10
Yeah,
II.
right.
I feel like I should always say that too.
And you know what? Sometimes Axial doesn't come with metal links. This one's got the metal chassis, metal links. Does your SCX10 II have metal links? I can't remember.
It's been a while since I've taken it out. See, wintertime is the time, it's the season of crawling for me.
Big time, big time.
Especially springtime. I think it hits even more, but yeah, wintertime is what starts it.
So we have an EC3 battery connector on here.
Look at where the battery is mounted. It's kind of on the side.
Yeah.
It's not in the back. It's not in the middle. It's on the side. That's kind of interesting. I would honestly, I'd like to see this cage go away in the back and it be a legit like flatbed truck in the back.
Mhm.
What do you guys think? What should I do with this? What should we do with this? Obviously, I'm gonna run it stock and I'm gonna run it the way it looks. I wish there was already like detail here in the cab.
Those are Maxxis tires.
Yep.
Nice. Yeah, those are good. That's gonna crawl. Those are gonna crawl really nice.
Method wheels, as always. That's what's always on the SCX10 IIs. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, let's see if what they've done with the transmitters. If they're still the same. What's going on with this?
Some people.
Was the last one I got a tactic on the last SCX10?
I think it was Spectrum. This is gonna be Spectrum, right?
Spectrum.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure my deadbolt, my new deadbolt, is a tactic. No?
No, I think it was
can't remember.
Spectrum. Yeah, so some people are not really happy with this Spectrum radio. So Spectrum has a very good connection. We know this because we fly planes and we fly Spectrum a lot. The downside is this hard plastic wheel on here, it does feel a little bit cheap. You know, we're used to having foam or rubber on the wheel, and that really just brings it up a level. I think that Spectrum would do well for such an expensive vehicle, such a nice truck. If they're gonna pair it up with Spectrum, let's up the notch just a tiny bit on the level of quality for the radio. think everyone would be really happy to see that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I see why, clearly, they don't have the lights ran in here.
Yeah, because the way it opens.
It opens like that. So
but what you can do is run the wire back here and then up along the body. So when it hinges,
that's a long wire.
it is a long wire. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. They make extensions. Cool. We can do that.
I think I also read that this ESC
look.
is set up to turn lights off and on.
They even already have a wire ready for you
you
to plug more lights in.
All right.
Now that is the Axial plug.
Shop.
So Axial has their own lights and they work well.
Yeah, guys, this is gonna be fun. This is going to be fun.
She's just drooling over this.
I don't even know what to say now. Like,
it's here.
it's here,
It's
and
here.
I'm pretty happy about
This is
it.
basically an early Christmas present for you. I mean, this is awesome.
Yeah, it's really cool.
One of my early Christmas presents is on the way. You guys will see it very soon.
It's cool. It is cool. But I can make it look cooler.
But for a stock truck,
For a stock truck, it's really
pretty amazing.
Yeah.
This is the most excited you've been.
This is my most
For-
expensive crawler, I think.
Yeah, and most excited you've been for a crawler.
to
By
get it.
far. I mean, they had a little bit of stock issues at first when we were picking this up, and Abby was like, no! And, oh yeah, once she got
I was
the
very impatient. with the
tracking
crawler.
confirmation on this, you got pumped. You got pumped.
Yeah, the battery for it, because we bought a new battery. We needed some new batteries. The battery for it arrived before the truck. And I was
So-
like, are you kidding me?
And then there was one day we had, it was FedEx that delivered this, stopped by and they left one of those delivery
We're
notes on the door.
home.
And we were like, no! It ended up, it wasn't this, but
No,
you thought it
I
was.
thought it was.
Yeah, crazy. So, very exciting. I'm happy for you. I am a little jealous because I do love Ford. I know a lot of people don't, but I love Ford. And this is the first Ford licensed vehicle that we own. Yes?
Yes,
So, I would like to fight her over this. Because, I mean,
I'll win.
my wife likes a Ford crawler truck. I mean, I can't complain. So, okay, well, if you guys want to just have some fun with us in the hobby, get out and crawl with us. Probably most likely it's going to be a cold winter day that we go out with this. Go crawling. And you want to stay in bundled up nice and warm and cozy, join us, subscribe. If you do, hit the notification bell or you won't see our videos. If you want to support what we do, we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below. Guys, Patreon is totally the best way to support us. Without it, we could not bring you this content. It is not free to keep that camera rolling and the crazy Wi-Fi to get this video out to the worldwide webs of awesomeness.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Already with the modifications.
Sorry guys, the stickers kind of ruined it for me. Now it looks better. love all these brands, but
When you're dealing with an old truck like this, I think it does look better without that on there.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll save the sticker and put it on something else nice, right?
that's like the only thing I'm gonna mod
Before
about
we
this.
stock run it.
I'm not gonna change, like I'll buy a clear body before I change anything else about this. Like this body will always look like this, but this had to go.
Fair enough. I can agree with that.